What if I told you that your idea of opportunity could change forever today? Sounds dramatic? Well, that's exactly how my journey once began. I wasn't born knowing how to turn 10 minutes into this. 11 years ago, I couldn't have imagined that one day I'd be seeing such results in trading using an effective strategy. But the key is, I didn't wait for a sign to move forward. I just took action. Hi, I'm Evelyn, and I've been a professional trader for 10 years. Over that time, I tested dozens of strategies, cut out the ineffective ones, and found what actually works. Now I have a system that allows me to act with clarity, not blindly. And today I'm ready to share it with you. In this video, you'll see exactly how I make my trading decisions, the principles I follow, and what this approach can do for you. Whether you are brand new or already have experience, I'll walk you through tools that can help you trade smarter and effectively. So get comfortable and pay close attention, because at the end, I'll give you a clear, actionable plan you can start using today. Ready? Let's go. Wait, you're already here. That means part of you is looking for a change. You could keep watching, or you could take the first step toward an effective system that's already transformed how so many people trade. I created a private community where members watch me trade live every day, analyze the market with me, and follow the actions I take. Actions that have already proven to deliver results. What's waiting for you inside? Live trading sessions with real-time trade breakdowns. Learn by watching me work. A personal strategy I've developed and refined over years. Full support. I'm here for you 24/7. And it's free. But it's important to understand, I can't work with an unlimited number of people. I personally work with each student, guide them and support them every step of the way. That's why access is only open right now. Pause the video, click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and join us. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll start seeing new opportunities. Now let's continue. All right, let's move on to the session. I've already opened the trading platform. This is how it looks. Now I just need to set a few parameters, select pairs, and choose indicators. Today I'll be using one of my favorite indicators, the alligator. This tool helps me determine whether the market is in a resting phase or has started an active move. The three lines, jaws, teeth, and lips, help identify the perfect entry point when the price wakes up and a clear trend begins to form. All right, everything's set. We are ready to start. Looking at the chart, I can see this. The price is approaching a strong level that it just can't seem to break above. This is called a resistance level, like an invisible ceiling the price keeps hitting. The indicator lines are starting to turn, and one of them, the blue one, has been crossed downward. That's a sign the market isn't ready to go higher and might pull back. I'm going down. Watching how the market behaves near key levels is crucial. Let's move on to the next pair. A familiar setup. The market is trending downward. This is called a downtrend. Right now there is a correction happening, a slight sideways movement, like the market catching its breath. The price is hovering in a tight range, what we call a sideways channel. I noticed the price is right at the top of this channel, a spot where the trend often resumes. I'm going down with the main trend. Market analysis helps make more informed decisions. Let's keep going. This part of the chart shows that the uptrend is over. It was broken by a sharp drop. After that, the market pulled back a bit, but the strength just isn't there. The indicator shows that the upward momentum has weakened. The price starts moving down again and cuts through the indicator lines, a sign that all trend is done. I'm switching direction and going down. The signs of a trend reversal are there if you are patient. Let's move on. So what do you think? At first glance, it might seem simple. Just pick a direction and go. But here's the biggest mistake beginners make: thinking they can do it alone. The truth is, market analysis takes time and skill. Why spend months or even years figuring it all out when others are already walking a proven path? Inside my private traders community, I show step-by-step actions every day, where to enter, when to exit, and which tools to use. All of it is live with no confusing theory, just a proven strategy you can take and apply right away. Plus, you can always ask questions and get support. I know how important it is not to feel lost at the beginning of the journey, but to move forward with confidence. That's exactly why I'm there for every member, helping them understand the trading opportunities. Access to my community is still open, but I work personally with each new member, so spots may run out. That's why, if you truly want to turn things around, don't wait. Click the link in the description below this video or in the pinned comment and join right now. Now let's continue. Now we've got the opposite situation. The market is moving up and both the chart and the indicator confirm it. This kind of steady rise is called an uptrend. There was a small correction, like a pause before a push, and now the price is making new highs again. That means buyers still have strength. I'm joining the upward movement. Analysis gives you a clear picture of the market. Let's continue. The price is once again hitting a familiar strong level, one that's caused reversals before. This time, the bounce was even sharper. The market snapped back and went down. That tells me the level is holding strong, like a spring that won't let the price through. I'm going down, knowing this kind of bounce often leads to a strong move. Repeated levels often suggest a strong trend, and they are worth trusting. Let's move on. The market has been consolidating again. The price moved sideways in a narrow range, as if waiting for the right moment. During this time, the indicator kept pointing down, with no signals of a reversal. Now the lines are starting to spread apart, like a door opening wider for a strong move. The price is going down, and I'm following along. Consolidation phases often come before sharp moves. Next pair. Here's what I see. The market has been trending down for a while. The indicator shows the same direction. The price is below all the lines, meaning the current trend is still in play. Lows are being broken. The price is going lower and lower. This confirms sellers are in control. I'm going with the flow. Sticking with the main trend is often the smart move. Everything's logical. Let's go on. Interesting setup here. We had an upward move, then a correction, and now the market is back at a support level. It's like a floor the price might bounce off. I see a bullish engulfing pattern, a buyer's candle completely covering a seller's candle. That shows buying interest is returning. The indicator is turning too. I'm going up, following the main trend. Reversal patterns can signal trend changes. You just have to pay attention. Let's go. We are back in a downtrend, and it's crystal clear. After a short pullback, the price resumes falling. It's like throwing a ball up and it drops straight back down. The indicator lines remain pointing down, and the price bounces off them without breaking through. That's confirmation sellers are still in control. I'm going down, no need to wait. And that wraps up the analysis for this series. One key rule: don't overcomplicate things when the answer is right in front of you. You've just seen where this session has brought us. This isn't theory, and it's not luck. It's a system I've been developing and refining over the past 10 years. Now you have a choice. The first, close this video and leave everything as it is, hoping things will change on their own one day. Second, take advantage of my experience and the strategies I personally use in my work. I want to invite you to become a member of my community, where you'll get live trading sessions where I share my experience, a private group where you can connect with like-minded people, step-by-step training to help you understand trading from scratch and start applying your knowledge in real time. You don't need to figure it all out on your own. All you need is a phone, a willingness to learn, and a desire to move forward. And just a reminder, I work with my students for free, but it's important to understand the number of spots is limited. Since I work personally with every member, supporting each person is my top priority. So if you're ready to join, don't wait. Click the link in the description below this video or in the pinned comment and become part of the community now. Just remember, trading involves risks, and without an experienced mentor, it's hard to avoid mistakes. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you inside the community. Take care.